Do you want to create a folder that no one can see it? I mean invisible folder. Come closer, let me show you. So now let's create an invisible folder just like this. Right click on, go to new, go to folder. So the folder is here. You can choose the name that you want, but let me leave it like this. Sorry. Then you go to property. After property, you go to customization. Then you go to change folder. Then you scroll. This space is empty. Then you click OK. Then you go straight to apply. Now you can see it's only the name, but the folder is not there. This is how you can create an invisible folder. I got a Koscyber. Follow, like, comment, and share. Sometimes your laptop will be running slower and you'll be thinking of why you haven't installed anything on it. You haven't downloaded any videos on it or anything, but it's still running slow. What should you do? What should I do? Don't worry, I got you covered. Go to your keyboard and tab on the Windows key plus R. Then a menu will pop up. A menu will pop up like this. Now hit CMD and hit enter. This black space. Now type the following thing. After typing this, then you hit what? Enter. Deleting all temporary file. Stop. And it will delete everything. So with this will make your laptop free and it will run faster. So if you want to just type CLS, then everything will go. Go by the name Koscyber. Do well to follow, like, comment, and save the video for later. Have you forgotten your Wi-Fi password and you are thinking of a way to recover it? Don't worry, come closer, let me show you. This key plus R, and now NCPA, type the one that is on the screen, this thing, and hit enter. Go straight to Wi-Fi and go straight to wireless property. Go to security. Now go to show characters. Now this is your password. So if anyone change this password, you can never have access to the network again. So make sure you keep your password secret. And if you have forgotten, do it secretly so that you can do what? Get access. Now